What's up, guys? Dr. Bob here, and today you're probably wondering why we started with a picture of Natalie's dog. And that's because we're talking about why dogs stretch and why you should be stretching and moving frequently as well, especially in movements that are difficult for you. So right here I have just a simple diagram of the layers of skin, muscle, and fascia. And fascia is, you may have heard of it before, it's the wrapping around our muscles. It kind of looks like cheesecloth. And all night long, we've got our body laying down new skin, fascia, and muscle fibers in a disorganized pattern like this. And when we move, what we need is for those layers to glide back and forth smoothly across one another. If you could imagine, it's like having tightness on a shirt, and you go and try and twist, you see how the tightness on my shirt prevents the shirt from stretching. So when dogs or other animals get up in the morning, the first thing they do is stretch, and what they're doing are loosening up or breaking up these extra fibers. And when we don't do that day after day for years, those areas can get tight, stuck, or even painful. So take some advice, start moving.